Looking for the best building blocks for kids that inspire creativity, learning, and endless fun? You're in the right place. Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you discover the best products for smart and confident buying decisions. And in this video, we're breaking down the top building block sets that kids truly love. Number 1. One sentence. LEGO Classic Medium Creative Brickbox Review. A LEGO Classic Medium Creative Brickbox delivers 484 pieces in 35 colors, providing the foundation for unlimited building possibilities. The green baseplate anchors constructions, while specialized elements, including windows, eyes, and 18 wheels with rims, enable moving vehicles and expressive characters. This collection represents LEGO at its most versatile, focusing on open-ended creativity rather than single predetermined builds. Therefore, cross-compatibility with all LEGO construction sets makes this an ideal starter collection or supplement to existing builds. Children combine classic bricks with specialized sets, integrating new pieces into established creations. The standard LEGO dimensions maintained across decades mean even vintage pieces from parents' childhoods connect perfectly with brand new bricks. Number 2. Mega Bloks First Builders Review. The Mega Bloks First Builders set targets toddlers ages 1+ through oversized blocks designed specifically for small hands still developing coordination. The 80-piece collection includes 10 different shapes in 9 vibrant colors, providing variety without overwhelming young builders. Each block connects easily while remaining simple enough to pull apart without frustration, crucial for maintaining engagement during early building experiences. Block size prevents choking hazards while enabling successful stacking for children whose motor control hasn't matured to handle smaller pieces. The soft plastic construction withstands aggressive handling, including throwing, mouthing, and stepping without breaking or creating sharp edges. This durability matters significantly for toys experiencing toddler-intensity play patterns involving enthusiastic experimentation rather than careful manipulation. Number 3. 2 of 4 Melissa and Doug Wooden Blocks Review. The Melissa and Doug wooden building blocks prove that classic designs remain relevant through solid construction and timeless appeal. The 100-piece set includes 9 traditional shapes in 4 colors plus natural wood finish, providing variety while maintaining simplicity that encourages rather than overwhelms creativity. Each block features smooth finishes and rounded edges, ensuring safe handling during enthusiastic play. Real maple wood construction offers satisfying weight and tactile feedback missing from plastic alternatives. Children feel the difference immediately, with wooden blocks providing sensory richness, enhancing the building experience. The natural material ages beautifully, developing character through years of use rather than showing wear as damage. FSC certification ensures responsible forest management, appealing to environmentally conscious families. Number 4. Picasso Tiles Magnetic Building Tiles Review. The Picasso Tiles 100-piece magnetic building set introduces construction through magnetic connections, enabling gravity-defying structures impossible with traditional blocks. Clear plastic tiles with colored edges create window-like effects when light passes through, adding visual interest beyond solid blocks. The 100-piece collection includes squares, triangles, and rectangles in various sizes, providing geometric variety for complex 3D constructions. Magnetic edges connect satisfyingly at any angle, removing the precision requirements of interlocking bricks. Children experiment freely without frustration from misaligned pieces, encouraging exploration over following rigid rules. The forgiving nature particularly benefits younger builders still developing fine motor control who struggle with traditional LEGO-style connections. Number 5. Lincoln Logs 100th Anniversary Tin Review. The Lincoln Logs 100th Anniversary Tin celebrates a century of American building toys through 111 real maple wood pieces, maintaining the original notched log design. The collectible tin packaging preserves historical connection while providing practical storage. Traditional brown-stained logs, red roof facades, and green rooftops evoke authentic cabin aesthetics, teaching architectural history through hands-on construction. The notched log design introduces unique building principles distinct from stacking blocks or interlocking bricks. Logs fit together through interlocking notches, creating stable walls without mortar or additional connections. This system teaches how actual log cabins achieve structural integrity, providing historical education alongside construction play. Children understand practical building techniques used for generations rather than abstract toy engineering.